बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम रब्बि इश्रह ली सदरी वयस्सिर ली अमरी वहलुल उक़दतम मिन लिसानी यफ़क़हू क़ौली रब्बी ज़िदनी इल्मा अल्लाहुम्मा फ़क़िहना फ़िद्दीन आमीन. Dear students, in previous lectures we have learned all the four operations of sets. We have learned union, intersection, difference and complement. Today we are going to learn the properties of union and intersection. Properties involving operations on sets. Properties involving union of sets. First of all, we will see the properties involving union of sets, and then we will see properties involving intersection of sets. The first property is commutative property. If A and B are any two sets, then A union B is equal to B union A is called commutative property of union of two sets. Students, just like commutative property of multiplication and addition that we have learned in grade 6, this is commutative property of union between two sets. A union B is equal to B union A. When we will find A union B, its answer will be same as B union A. The second property of union is associative property. This property holds for three sets. If A, B and C are three sets, then A union B union C, and here we have small bracket around B union C, and this is equal to A union B union C, and on this side, right hand side, we have small bracket around A union B. This small bracket tells us that first find value of B union C, and then with the answer find A union. Similarly, here we have to find A union B first, and with the answer we will take union of C, but the result will come same. This is associative property. Students, here we have all the values A union B union C, A union B union C, all the values on right side and left side are same. The difference is only of small brackets. On left hand side, small bracket is on last two values, while on right hand side it is on first two values. Now, identity property with respect to union. In sets empty set phi acts as identity for union. Just like 1 is identity in multiplication, phi acts as identity in union, because when we take union of phi with A, answer comes same, that is A. Just like when we multiply 1 with any number, answer comes the same number. Similarly, this is identity property with respect to union, that is phi. Properties involving intersection of sets. The first property is same, just like union commutative property. If A and B are any two sets, then A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. This is called commutative property of intersection. If we find A intersection B or we find B intersection A, our answer will be same. Associative property involving intersection. A, B, C are any three sets, then A intersection B intersection C is equal to A intersection B intersection C. The only difference is of brackets. On left hand side we have bracket on last two values, and on right hand side we have bracket on first two. So here we have to find first B intersection C, while here we will find A intersection B first, and then with the answer we will find intersection with C. Identity property with respect to intersection. In sets, the universal set U act as identity property of intersection, that is A intersection U is equal to A. When we take intersection of A with universal set U, the answer will be the same set A. Students, let's start exercise 1.4, and in this exercise we will apply the properties that we have learned. If A is equal to this set, B is equal to this, C is equal to this, then verify that A intersection B is equal to B intersection A. So students, whenever question is verify or prove that, we always take left hand side of equation first. So we will rewrite our question, then we will take left hand side of our equation, that is A intersection B. Now put the value of A, E, I, O, U over here, then sign of intersection, and then we will put value of B, that is A, B, C. Now in intersection, we will take all the common elements of both the sets. Which is common? Yes, A is common. This is our equation 1. Now take right hand side of your equation, that is B intersection A. First we will put elements of set B, then sign of intersection, and then A. Now students, simply take intersection means take the common elements of both the set. Which is common? A. This is our equation 2. See equation 1 and 2. From 1 and 2 it is proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence our property proved. This is commutative property involving intersection.